Denise's Nest. I had fun doing a bit of shopping at Ollie's and the Dollar Tree, and I came across this really cute American Crafts journal set for a whopping $3. So if you've got an Ollie's near you, go check it out. I really fell in love with this whole llama theme. And this is a traveler's journal. So it comes with 2 inserts, which is great, and I can reuse the cover as needed. And we are going to dive into an actual layout for this that is llama themed. I found this really cute alpaca llama jot sticky note set that I am going to use as embellishments and sticky notes. So one side, I'm going to make this a 2-page spread. This one. If you've been out shopping recently, what good bargains have you come across? Share your deals in our comments. Sometimes you just gotta play with the scraps and see how you can make them work. I'm not really gonna care if the edges aren't exact because I like to ink my edges. These are photos from a game. On my alpaca sticky notes are going to come into play because I'm going to turn this into a title. And this is my 2-page traveler's notebook layout. Another quick hint that I want to give you is that if you want to add more journaling, you can layer the sticky notes because I've got some, and this is also great if you want to do some hidden journaling about the experience. And then here with my photo mat, it's a flip out so I can get more pages. So I was actually able to get 4 pages, smaller footprint. So let me know what you think. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to join us in the nest by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing, and make sure you turn on your notifications so you'll be made aware of when I drop my next video.